Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix some of the Pinterest most annoying bug, which is not showing the photos or the pins that you created on your profile. First thing first, let's launch the Pinterest app. The first thing you want to do when you're on your own profile is you want to go on the top right corner when you see the three dots. You click on the three dots and then you want to click on settings. When you're on the settings menu, you want to click on account, privacy and data. It's over here. Then you want to scroll all the way down and you want to click on cached data. This is the function that will simply release a lot of the space and a lot of the bugs that sometimes is simply triggered by the app. You want to clear on clear app cache. App cache was just cleared. Then you want to go back. You want to simply refresh and you will see that all of the pins are currently showing up. The issue with this is that sometimes you got stacked a lot of content and the app has a hard time to process the content, considering that if you publish videos, right, not images, the space that it will need to be associated with your account, which will be much larger, so it will slow down the process, and sometimes there's a particular lag in between. So this is how we're gonna go about it. You see now everything works smooth. Again, I have a bunch of content as you can see over here, but it still works pretty well comparing with before when you have a lot of this storage uncleared up from the cache. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.